Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzy with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a VR for Patty, Mommy and Me Crafts. Also, I am doing this video for inloveartshop, and I figured I would tackle two tasks at once. So here we are. I am making a ribbon holder for the giveaway. I'm using the inloveartshop flowers. I've been on a flower craze lately, so I picked up some more flowers, and you will see some other dies that I picked up in the next few videos, but these ones are it. I went ahead and made a yellow and a blue and lavender. So this is a SVG file that I'm using for the ribbon holder. It is a thread spool, and I will link it below. It came with a sewing machine file, and I just enlarged it and cut a few pieces out. Also did the inverted shape, and that way it would make a smaller version so I can add the pattern paper to the gold. So I do use some score tape to adhere the pattern paper to the foil cardstock. I feel that it adheres best. I feel like hot glue kind of tends to separate from the foil in time, so I went ahead and did the score tape. So I did both back and front. I also added some stitching to the pattern paper and adhered it to both front and back. I chose to go with the blue pattern paper. I thought it did a nice contrast with the ribbon that I'm using. So if I did pink, I almost did pink. It wouldn't go that great. So I wanted to add this pocket, but I decided not to use it. Wanted to add something, an embellishment or something inside it, but I figured it was just too much. I was just adding too much. I can't do flat, so it's hard for me to do flat. Hence this ribbon holder is super chunky as well. So I'm adding this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I love this ribbon. I haven't been able to use it, but I love it so much. Adding this pink ribbon from Hobby Lobby as well. The challenge is to send at least 3 yards of ribbon. I think I went over here. I gave her just about all of the spool that I had of the pink, and then the rest of the other. So I just went a little bit over, and I decided to add these flowers to some paper clips. I do want to let you guys know that I did use the Recollections cardstock. I love the color of the Recollections open cardstock for spring, and this little teapot is a SVG file as well from Silhouette, and I will have it linked below. These little clips, what are they called? Safety pins. The little safety pins are from Hobby Lobby. They come 4 to a pack in the sewing machine. So I will have the link to Hobby Lobby below as well. I am using this circle punch to adhere to the back of the flowers. The lavender paper is not from Michaels. It's from Amazon. I will have it linked below. I don't think it's cardstock. I think it's index paper. I will have it linked below so you guys could check it out, but it's very thin, you guys. It's not as thin as printer paper, but it is thinner than like a 65-pound sheet of cardstock from the open cardstock at Michael's, so it is a little thin. So I'm adding them to the paper clips. I decide to add this little teapot to the safety pin, and I'm going to use some of this yarn, and this yarn is from Hobby Lobby. This is one of the scrap lifts that I lifted from Shara Crane's Crafty Pals on Patreon. I will have her linked below as well. And I'm using this little froggy. I thought the little froggy was so cute to go with the flowers and also the butterfly. I don't know, it's just cute. It's not so cute on the teapot, but still came out cute. Yeah, we don't want a frog around our tea, so anyways, adding the flower, one of the flowers that I'm using for the In Love Art Shop dies, and then I add a little heart, and I'm using, I didn't mention it, but I'm using the Garden Party collection by Maggie Holmes, which I picked up from scrapbook.com. I will have them linked below as well. So just a little embellishment here that Patty can use. She could take it off and use it, as well as the flowers. I wanted to send her some embellishments but didn't know how, so I incorporated them into the ribbon holder, and she could just remove them and just keep the holder for her stash. And it's always nice, well, in my opinion, it's always nice to have extras, something that will help you in a project that you're working on. I do fiddle around with the flowers a bit, trying to figure out the best arrangement for them. And the let's go ahead and while I'm doing that, talk about the butterfly. The butterfly is a Sizzix die, and I also did it like a 3D butterfly, which also scrap lifted from Shara Crane's Crafty Pals, her Patreon. She did a 3D butterfly with a Maggie Holmes butterfly, which I thought was genius. So here I went ahead and scrap lifted that and used it on a die. So you guys should check her out. She has a lot of great ideas, you guys. I love it. And I love it there anyway. So I'm adding the safety pin to the ribbon, and you will see me add the little teapot to it as well with a jump ring. It's just a little embellishment to have it dangling in some way there, just to make it look pretty. So if you like these flowers, please check out In Love Art Shop. I will have their links below, as well as a 20% discount code for you. I will have it linked below as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video as well as I did. I love making different projects like this, something that I haven't seen before, and I thought this was such a great idea that Patty suggested for her challenge. I do add that butterfly to a clothespin and adhere it there. She could remove it as well. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you guys in the next video with another In Love Art Shop die. Please check out Patty. Bye.